Hi, my name is Dave Phillion. I'm one of the product specialists here at Havis. Today we're going to go over some of the different mounting options we have for forklift applications. Some of the things you see in front of me is our overhead mount. This is our new MH-1014. And one of the things I wanted to focus on here, since this overhead mount is a clamp-on mount. Now, what's advantage of this is that it can fit almost every forklift application, and due to the wide mounting platform here, it has a multitude of different mounting options. So this can be moved left to right, forward, back, whatever the optimal position is, depending on where that overhead cage is. Mounted on here is our heavy-duty dual ball mount. Simple adjustment with the handle there puts us in the optimal mounting and viewing location. Simple turn tightens it right back up again. Some of the next thing I want to go over here is our barcode scanner mount. Now this is a clamp-on mount also. It is a lighter-duty dual ball mount. To it, a simple adjustment with the handle gives you the optimal mounting position. There's a fully adjustable base here so that you can fit just about any size barcode scanner or a handheld computer system in this setup here. It's a clamp-on mount so that you don't have to worry about adding holes in the forklift, as most forklifts are leased. Last thing I want to show you is an accompaniment to this overhead tablet here. So if you need to add a keyboard onto this, but you don't want to drill a hole, you don't want to do a permanent mount, we created a design here that's designed to go underneath the seat. Now this keyboard just swings right up and puts the keyboard right within arm's reach. It's a simple clamp mount underneath the seat. So you lift up the seat, you slide the plate under, put the seat back down, clamp it down, and your install is complete. So overall install is very fast and a no drill setup. Keyboard is right within reach, and when you're done using it, you just swing it right back up and out of the way.